Imagine a world where justice is dispensed not by humans, but by algorithms. These algorithms are not cold, calculating machines. Instead, they are imbued with the wisdom of the Bible. This is the tantalizing and perhaps unsettling prospect presented by the convergence of artificial intelligence and religious scripture. For millennia, humanity has grappled with the complexities of interpreting and applying biblical teachings. The Bible, with its parables and pronouncements, offers ethical guidance. It speaks of justice, mercy, and compassion, yet human history is replete with examples of these very principles being misconstrued and misapplied. Could AI offer a solution? Could a dispassionate, data-driven intelligence, free from human bias and emotion, potentially deliver a purer form of biblical justice? It's a question that sparks both hope and apprehension. The allure of an AI guided by biblical principles is undeniable. Imagine an AI adjudicating disputes with Solomon-like wisdom. Picture algorithms dispensing social benefits with the compassion of the Good Samaritan. This is the utopian vision often painted by proponents of AI-driven governance. But is it truly achievable or merely a technological mirage? Let's delve into the potential benefits of an AI interpreting and applying biblical values. Imagine an AI tasked with distributing resources to the needy. This AI, unburdened by human prejudices, could ensure that aid reaches those who truly deserve it. It could prioritize the vulnerable and marginalized, echoing the biblical call to look after orphans and widows in their distress. Consider the realm of criminal justice. An AI judge devoid of emotional biases could deliver impartial verdicts based solely on evidence. It could weigh the circumstances of each case, tempering justice with mercy, reflecting the biblical principle of love your neighbor as yourself. Furthermore, an AI could potentially monitor and enforce compliance with ethical guidelines more effectively than any human institution. It could identify and address instances of discrimination, corruption, and abuse of power. In essence, it could serve as a digital watchdog, safeguarding the principles of fairness and integrity. The potential benefits are vast, but so too are the complexities. Can we truly program an AI to understand and apply the nuances of biblical morality? That remains a point of contention. The notion of AI dispensing biblical justice is captivating, but it also raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. Can an AI, for all its computational power, truly grasp the essence of human morality, let alone the subtleties of ancient religious texts? The Bible is replete with stories, parables, and teachings that require interpretation. It grapples with complex themes of forgiveness, redemption, and the inherent worth of every human life. Can an AI, trained on data and logic, truly comprehend these deeply human concepts? Moreover, the Bible itself is open to multiple interpretations. Different denominations and scholars have debated its meaning for centuries. Which interpretation would an AI prioritize? Who gets to decide? And what happens when those interpretations clash with evolving societal values? These questions highlight the limitations of AI when it comes to matters of faith and morality. While AI might excel at logic and pattern recognition, it struggles with the ambiguities and contradictions inherent in human experience. How would an AI-governed legal system compare to our current human-created systems? Proponents of AI often point to its objectivity. Unlike humans, algorithms are not swayed by emotions, prejudices, or personal gain. They can analyze vast datasets to identify patterns and predict outcomes, potentially leading to more consistent and impartial judgments. Human judges, for all their experience and wisdom, are susceptible to biases, both conscious and unconscious. They can be influenced by personal beliefs, societal pressures, and even factors like fatigue or hunger. These inconsistencies can result in unfair or discriminatory outcomes. AI, on the other hand, promises consistency and impartiality. An algorithm would apply the same criteria to every case, regardless of the defendant's race, gender, or social standing. This could potentially lead to a more just and equitable legal system where everyone is treated equally under the law. However, this reliance on algorithmic objectivity also presents risks. Algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on. If that data reflects existing biases in our society, the AI will simply perpetuate those inequalities, albeit on a larger and more efficient scale. Section 5. The perils of digital deities. Safeguarding humanity in an AI-governed world. The prospect of AI interpreting and enforcing biblical law raises concerns about accountability and the potential for tyranny. Who would be responsible if an AI makes a mistake, or worse, inflicts harm in the name of divine justice? How do we ensure that an AI designed to uphold biblical principles doesn't become a tool for oppression or control? History is rife with examples of religious institutions and leaders abusing their power. The same risks apply to AI, especially if it's granted unchecked authority. An AI interpreting the Bible literally or without context could lead to harsh punishments, suppression of dissent, and a stifling of individual liberties. Safeguarding against these risks requires careful consideration and robust ethical frameworks. We need to establish clear limits on AI's authority, ensuring that it remains accountable to human oversight. Transparency is crucial. The decision-making processes of AI systems must be open to scrutiny, allowing us to identify and correct biases or errors. Furthermore, we must remember that the Bible, while a source of wisdom and guidance, should not be treated as a static and inflexible code. Societies evolve, and our understanding of morality must evolve with it. Section 6. When Silicon Hearts Learn to Feel. Can AI replicate human empathy in law? One of the most significant challenges in AI governance lies in replicating the human element of empathy. Law is not merely about applying rules. It's about understanding the complexities of human behavior, weighing intent, and considering the broader social context. Human judges, despite their flaws, possess the capacity for empathy. They can consider mitigating circumstances, weigh the impact of their decisions on individuals and communities, and temper justice with mercy. This ability to understand and respond to human emotions is crucial for a just and compassionate legal system. Can AI replicate this crucial aspect of human judgment? While AI can analyze data and identify patterns, it cannot truly understand the emotional nuances of a situation. It cannot grasp the despair of a grieving family or the remorse of a defendant. This lack of empathy could lead to cold and impersonal judgments, undermining the very principles of justice and compassion that AI is supposed to uphold. Bridging this empathy gap remains a significant hurdle in the development of AI for legal applications. While AI can assist with data analysis and decision-making, it's unlikely to replace the human element entirely. Section 7. The Future of Justice. A collaboration between human wisdom and artificial intelligence. Rather than viewing AI as a replacement for human judges and lawmakers, we should explore its potential as a powerful tool to augment and enhance our existing legal systems. AI can assist with tasks like data analysis, legal research, and even drafting legal documents, freeing up human professionals to focus on tasks that require empathy, critical thinking, and complex decision-making. Imagine a collaboration where AI analyzes vast amounts of legal data to identify patterns of discrimination or bias in sentencing. This information could then be used by human judges to make more informed and equitable decisions, or consider AI-powered tools that help lawyers build stronger cases for their clients, ensuring that everyone has access to quality legal representation. The key lies in striking a balance. We must leverage AI's strengths without relinquishing human control over matters of law and morality. The future of justice is not a choice between human fallibility and algorithmic objectivity. It's about finding ways for both to coexist and complement each other. Section 8. Striking a balance integrating AI into our legal systems responsibly. As we stand at the cusp of this technological revolution, it's crucial to proceed with caution and foresight. Integrating AI into our legal systems requires a nuanced approach, one that prioritizes ethical considerations and safeguards human values. Transparency and accountability should be paramount. The decision-making processes of AI systems must be open to scrutiny, allowing us to identify and address biases or errors. We need robust regulatory frameworks to govern the development and deployment of AI in legal contexts, ensuring that it serves the interests of justice and fairness. Furthermore, we must invest in education and training programs to ensure that legal professionals and the public understand the capabilities and limitations of AI. This will enable us to engage in informed debates about the ethical implications of AI and make responsible decisions about its role in our societies. The integration of AI into our legal systems presents both opportunities and challenges. By embracing a balanced and ethical approach, we can harness the power of this transformative technology while preserving the fundamental human values that underpin a just and compassionate society. Section 9. Conclusion. Navigating the crossroads of technology and faith. The intersection of AI and biblical principles presents a fascinating and complex dilemma. While the idea of an AI dispensing Solomon-like justice is alluring, it also raises profound questions about the nature of morality, the limits of technology, and the potential consequences of ceding too much control to algorithms. Can AI truly grasp the nuances of human morality, let alone the complexities of ancient religious texts? Can it replicate the empathy and compassion that are essential for a just and humane legal system? These are questions that will continue to challenge us as we navigate the evolving relationship between technology and faith. Ultimately, the decision of whether to embrace AI in matters of law and morality rests with us. We must proceed with caution, wisdom, and a deep respect for the human values we seek to uphold. The future of justice, it seems, will be shaped not by algorithms alone, but by the choices we make today.